people always say, don't crack your knuckles because you'll get carpal tunnel. Is that a myth?
Cracking your knuckles is never really a good thing because most people actually crack it or in the wrong direction. So most people actually crack their knuckles this way, which is actually the wrong way. You actually should be going this way. And this is something that's almost impossible to do unless you're a trained chiropractor. It actually promotes more ligament laxity. Your joints get more loose in the wrong direction. Rather than carpal tunnel, it actually promotes more joint issues later on because you're going in the wrong direction.